You want to hear about THCV, one of the sexiest cannabinoids in existence? Let's dive in. I'm Lex Pelger. I do Canna education for CV Sciences, the makers of Plus CBD. On the cannabinoids, ask me anything. Per usual, I'm not going to flash up all the paper titles and you have to type them in to go see them. Instead, go to CVResearch.info and everything I'm saying, the papers are linked to in the entry there. So this is the most famous and the most well-studied of the varin cannabinoids. And all that means is this tail right here is 2 carbons shorter. Other than that, it's just like THC. But in terms of effect, it is different and people seek it out. This is the one that's known as the creative cannabinoid. People love this feeling of it. It tends to be found the most in Durban strains of cannabis from South Africa. And that's the reason some people love those Durban strains or anything else high in THCV. This is something people are looking for. First discovered in 1971, what exactly it's doing with the endocannabinoid system is still some debate. It seems like THCV is blocking the CB1 receptor, the one that mediates the psychoactive effect, but there's some controversy there. One thing we do know is it's binding very strongly to the CB2 receptor, and that's the one on all of the organs of our body and the immune system. So that seems to be part of its healing effect is from that CB2 receptor binding. Early studies demonstrated its anticonvulsant effects, probably via the CB1 receptor. But since then, another focus has been for diabetes, nausea, and obesity. There is a study in a mouse model of obesity where THCV lowered food intake and weight gain, as well as helping to lessen insulin sensitivity. In fact, in humans, 10 milligrams of THCV has been found to lessen the temptations of eating chocolate, which is such a temptation. It has been studied for treating diabetes in humans, and there is a patent for that application. In animal models, it's been shown to have profound brain effects. It can calm neural transmission, it can lessen obsessive compulsive disorders and schizophrenic behaviors. It causes neuroprotection in a model of Parkinson's, and it helps to lessen the negative side effects from the Parkinson's treatment drug L-Dopa. And that one is because of its antioxidant effects and lowering those free radicals. In some other intriguing research in animal models, THCV has been researched for inflammatory and neuropathic pain. Neuropathic pain is nerve pain, and it's really difficult to treat. It's also been shown to reduce contractions in the bladder, reduce fat levels in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, to have anti-malarial activity, and with acne to reduce sebum production. Lastly, it's been shown to help protect with some of the negative effects of THC, which would make sense that whatever it's doing at the CB1 receptor, it is altering what THC is doing there. And finally, for medical professionals, the review at the top of the list at CVResearch.info is the one to read. It is called A Systematic Review of Medical Cannabinoid Dosing in Humans, and you see about dosing information for THC, CBD, and our old friend, THCV.